Haunted Objects of Jamaica, Top 10 Eeriest Artifacts and Legends. Jamaica's rich folklore and history have given rise to numerous tales of haunted objects, from cursed heirlooms to legendary artifacts. These items come with chilling backstories, mysterious paranormal encounters, and deep historical context. Below is a list of the 10 most haunted objects in Jamaica, each accompanied by its history, ghostly legends, and current whereabouts when known. 1. Annie Palmer's haunted portrait in Rose Hall Great House. One of Jamaica's most infamous ghosts is Annie Palmer, the so-called White Witch of Rose Hall.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
Inside the Rose Hall Great House in Montego Bay hangs a portrait of Annie Palmer, which visitors swear has an unsettling quality. Annie Palmer was a 19th century plantation mistress at Rose Hall, rumored to have murdered multiple husbands and slaves using dark magic. Though historians note the legend is exaggerated, her story endures. The portrait, depicting Annie in a red dress, is notorious for its eyes that seem to follow you as you move around the room. Many who tour Rose Hall report an eerie feeling under the painting's gaze. It's said to be totally creepy, and staff speculate it represents Annie, since all actual photos of her were supposedly destroyed after her death. Some visitors claim the portrait's expression changes or that they sense Annie's presence nearby. The portrait remains on display at Rose Hall Great House, which operates as a historic museum. Brave tourists can view it on Daytime History Tour or the popular Candlelit Haunted Night Tour.